Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Because doing fantastic. Listen, guys, our beautiful, beloved Render is doing fantastic. I couldn't be more proud of Render, ladies and gentlemen. I know overall the crypto market has been overall green, especially ever since Trump won. And, we talked about the Bitcoin structure earlier. But man, oh man, I am so happy that Render is kind of moving fast. Look, life comes at you fast. Just a week ago, right? If you were just looking at confirmation bias, you would have like thought, oh my God, we're gonna go back to $4, back to $3.50. And now we're pretty much at $6, right? Crazy how the crypto market can turn around. That's why I always just encourage people to buy, near the bottoms, right? Because the thing is, right, this, I know this, right? Once the market starts moving, your opportunity to get, prices here, here, here are going to be very short-lived, okay? In general, they're going to be very, very short-lived. Um, because once the market starts moving, guys, it starts getting to that gear, it starts pumping out. If you don't know what Render is, pretty much AI coin that works directly with Nvidia, Google, HBO, other big companies. Okay. Now, if that doesn't say a lot and doesn't convince you to possibly research this coin, then I don't know what will. As we know, AI and technology is the future, ladies and gentlemen. It is, whether you want to accept it or not, it is the future, right? When we look at AI videos in the past, just like a year ago, they're all messy, or like a year and a half ago, they're all like, messed up. Now, a couple months ago, videos are coming out that are looking amazing. Probably in a couple months, you're going to be able to do a lot of work for free, even, or just, paid services that aren't that expensive. And when we think about where AI is going to be in a couple of years, I mean, man, the sky is the limit. We are very, very early investors. When we think about it, AI is still, there's not that much market cap in terms of AI. And, Render is going to be one of the top dogs. I believe is going to be number one. But, I'm going to just be a little bit more humble. Top three out of all the AI coins. And for me, that says a lot. For me, this is like one of those easy 10 to 20 X's. That's all, like guaranteed. Do you understand? So for me, this is a no-brainer. In terms of where Render is going to go next, it's probably going to start consolidating, slowing down near the 650 zone. We probably will see price dip here, maybe touch 570 again, kind of go like this, something like this, before we break out. Because um, yeah, the days of just slowly kind of going sideways and selling off are overall going to be over. Yes, we still going to have some days where we kind of go up and down because, we still have to build some structure when the time comes. But right now, it's not going to be like that. It's going to be kind of quick. It would not surprise me if a month's time from now, we're back to almost a double digit range, if not the double digit range, right? But pretty much once Render does this or something very, very close, the next real target is this chunky area, right? Pretty much between 10 to $11, right? Once we go here, a little sell off, right? Maybe we sell back down to 870 before we start going up. Once we do that, would not be surprised me if we obviously retest this first, as it called with Bitcoin, right? A retest, boom, 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 before we start expanding out. Now, I think Render's going to have one expansion for sure, and then it's probably going to go to like, I don't know, say 40, $50, maybe even 60, sell off maybe like 30 to 40%, kind of go sideways between 30 and $40 most likely, before we really explode into big, big territory. Now, those prices might be inaccurate a little bit, but that's what I think overall is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. I still think Render, now that Trump won, I think like Render, $150 Render is easy, even $200 Render. Um, I'm not going to get over, I'm going to stay humble, my original price prediction was like around 120, but with Trump winning, I think on the conservative side, 150 is very, very doable. Uh, and yeah, guys, that's my price prediction. 150 for Rndr. Talk to you guys next time.